6 people are taking the state to court over a new law they say is unconstitutional. They filed a lawsuit today in federal court. WNCN's political reporter Bo Minnick joins us to explain how this all goes back to the issue of same-sex marriage. Bo.
Sharon, that of course was an issue decided nationally by the Supreme Court in June. But before that, it had already become law at the state level here, and lawmakers passed a law that would protect magistrates from losing their jobs if they felt they couldn't marry people for religious reasons.
Senate Bill 2 is unconstitutional.
A law that's now the subject of a federal lawsuit.
You just can't pick and choose what parts of the law you're going to enforce as a judge. I mean, that is an open door to chaos.
The Republican-led General Assembly passed Senate Bill 2 in May. It allows magistrates and Register of Deeds employees to opt out of their role in all marriages for 6 months if it is against their religious beliefs.
I now pronounce you married. You may kiss.
The law followed a 2014 ruling that legalized same-sex marriage in North Carolina. The governor vetoed Senate Bill 2, but the legislature overturned it. Now, this lawsuit.
They're crying discrimination against them. I would suggest that what they're trying to do via the courts is a discrimination against people of faith.
Reverend Mark Creech with the Christian Action League says Senate Bill 2 is a good middle ground for people who have a moral conviction that same-sex marriage is wrong.
I'm angry about it because this, in my estimation, is an effort by gay activism to run people of faith completely out of the public sector.
But supporters of the lawsuit tell us Senate Bill 2 costs taxpayer money and discriminates against same-sex couples.
This has nothing to do with religious liberties. This has to do with people who are employed by the state of North Carolina having to conduct civil services.
32 magistrates have opted out of performing marriages under SB 2. Senate President Pro Tem Phil Berger sponsored the bill and says no one has been denied the ability to get married under it. The state will likely respond early next year. Bo Minnick, WNCN News.
The days of No Child Left Behind could soon